Hi everyone, welcome back to The Consultant, your go-to channel for all things success, career, and inspiration. Today's topic is relevant for your professional image: meetings. Knowing how to conduct yourself in meetings, in person or virtually, determines whether you will make a lasting impression or not. Let's go over the do's and the don'ts so you can walk in every meetings with confidence and leave a mark that counts. Always research the purpose of the meetings, the term of reference, the announcement offer, and any relevant data or reports that might help you. You don't want to be the person scrambling for information during a meeting. Walk in prepared, and you will instantly come across as competent and reliable. Rehearse until you feel ready. Don't appear unprepared. It shows a lack of respect for others' time. You don't want to be caught off guard or ask questions that could have easily been answered with a bit of pre-meeting research. Prepare at least one thoughtful question or idea to contribute during the discussion. Remember, a meeting is a deep conversation. You should be ready to have a conversation, not just answering questions. It shows you are engaged and thinking ahead. Punctuality is a must. Show up on time, because punctuality speaks volumes about your professionalism. Arriving early gives you a chance to settle and make sure everything is in order. In person, you will be familiarized with the environment and cool yourself. For virtual meetings, check your materials. Make sure, for example, your microphone and camera are working, and test your internet connection. Don't ever show up late. Walking in after the meeting starts not only disrupts the flow, but it also tells people you don't value their time. Even worse, in virtual meetings, no one likes waiting for the person with technical difficulties, someone who didn't check their setup ahead of time. Communication matters. Communicate clearly and concisely. Whether you are sharing an update, answering a question, or pitching an idea, keep your message focused and to the point. Meetings are meant for clarity and progress, not rambling. Don't take over the conversation or go off topic. Listen carefully to questions and remarks. Stay focused. We have all been in that meeting where someone just keeps talking without adding value. And don't be that person. Respect the agenda and don't hog the spotlight. If you are asked a question and you don't know the answer, it's okay to say, "I will need to follow up on that." It's better to be honest than give an unclear or inaccurate information. Show positive body language. Sit up straight, make eye contact, and nod when others are speaking. Even in virtual meetings, your body language speaks loudly. A confident posture signals that you are engaged and interested in what is being said. Don't be distracted, whether it's checking your phone on the table, typing away on your laptop, or letting your mind wander. People notice when you're not fully present. Disengagement sends the message that you don't care, and that's the last impression you want to leave. If you are in a virtual meeting, make sure your background is clean and free of distractions. Always keep your camera on when speaking. It helps build connection and trust. Follow up after the meeting. Whether you promise to send an email, provide a document, or check on a task, make sure you follow through promptly. This is a simple way to reinforce that you are reliable and accountable. Don't forget to follow through, because failing to deliver what you promise can damage your credibility. Remember, your reputation is built not just on what you do in meetings, but on what happens after them too. Never send too many follow-up emails, checking if you have been shortlisted. Although sending one email may sound nice, sending many emails appears to be aggressive. Wait patiently to be contacted. If you have been selected, no doubt that at some point you will receive a clear communication. If not, don't stop searching for other opportunities and don't get discouraged. We have come to the end of this video. Some takeaways to keep are: meetings are opportunities to showcase your professionalism, your ideas, and your value. Remember, it's a conversation where you have to share your experience and convince your counterpart on how your assets can benefit their organization's goal. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite meeting tip. Thanks for tuning in to The Consultant.